Meet Miss Remy. She's the school's history teacher and is supposed to be covering Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and showing movies like Gone with the Wind. But instead, she teaches the youth about Harriet Tubman, Malcolm X, and shows movies like Judas and the Black Messiah. She's serving the youth a white-on-white ensemble, but only to emphasize the melanin and the richness thereof. Her students know her expectation is that they keep their minds elevated, their hair natural, and their skin moisturized. Meet Miss REYNA. Truth be told, she's not the best teacher. Her principal knows it. Her students know it. She knows it. The value she offers is not educational. It's fashionable. Her students don't know how to count to 9, but they do know how to dress to the 9s. Do they know their colors? No. Do they understand color theory? Yes. Monochromatic pairings, complementarian ensembles, triadic color outfits. They can identify and assemble all 3 combination types. Can you? Didn't think so. Visit her classroom in 3rd period and she'll put you on game. Meet Miss Melody. She doesn't believe in orthodox classroom teaching. She's a modern-day Miss Frizzle taking lessons outdoors and on field trips. She's of the mindset that the world is your classroom and prefers hands-on interactive learning. She's gunning for Teacher of the Year for the 4th year in a row and is more than likely going to get it. She's serving the students patriotic tees with a red, white, and blue ensemble. The red skirt is accented with white polka dots for visual variety. Meet Miss GIANA. She is unbothered. If you learn, you learn. If you don't, you don't. You had to repeat this grade? That ain't on me. That's on you. She is teaching this lesson whether you are listening or not. She's low-key telling the class what problems are going to be on tomorrow's supposed to be pop quiz, but the class is too busy clowning to even hear. Keep playing if you want to. Miss GIANA will flunk each and every one of you and not lose a wink of sleep over it. See you all again next year. Meet Miss Annabelle, the "you guys are my kids" teacher. She really does love each and every one of her students and feels personally responsible for their life successes and failures. She's the type to stay up late at night brainstorming ideas on how to boost her kids' self-esteem and inspire their desire to learn. She puts real time and energy into her curriculum and the kids know it. They don't really care about the lessons, but they care about her, so they pretend that they're interested in understanding what she's saying. Meet Miss Vanessa, the substitute. She isn't actually qualified or licensed to be in the teaching environment, but she needed a job and heard that substitutes get paid by the day, so she applied. When she's in the classroom, the kids already know what it is. They're about to watch a movie and listen to Miss Vanessa overshare inappropriate details about her personal life and seek the advice and counsel of the 11-year-old fifth graders. She's not a teacher and therefore she doesn't bother to dress the part. She's sporting a plain champagne-colored slip dress accented with a crochet knitted top. Her outfit clearly conveys that yes, today's shift is on her to-do list, but it's not her whole day. She's headed to the next stop as soon as fourth period ends. Meet Miss Hope, the school nurse. The kids go in to get patched up, but come out knowing how to dodge a left hook and land an uppercut. Listen, the next time that boy comes to bother you, you give him a fair warning, but as soon as he swings, duck, and then you beat the brakes off him. If you repeat any of what I have said to you, to Principal Harris, I will deny it and you will be on your own. You understand me? Now go on and make me proud.